Hello and welcome to this Introduction to eLearning Plus. My name is Nigel Sydenham. I'm part of the trainer faculty here at CCL Academy. In this short video, I want to give you an overview of eLearning Plus, our AML training solution, and also to give you a quick demonstration of how it could work for a particular firm. But we're going to start with thinking about the training challenge. I'm sure we're all familiar with traditional eLearning. It's convenient, it's accessible on demand, and of course that's particularly important if you have staff in multiple locations or even remote working, and it's trackable. And these are all good reasons to be using eLearning. But of course we also know that eLearning has disadvantages. And it's for this reason that many of our clients here at CCL continue to opt for face-to-face training for AML. Face-to-face training can be highly interactive, very engaging, and also can be tailored to the firm. The content can be designed specifically to reflect the risks and the issues that firm faces. CCL Academy's eLearning Plus solution is designed as a complete training solution to bridge the gap between traditional eLearning and face-to-face training. eLearning Plus is made up of three core components. Firstly, our AML eLearning module. This highly interactive and engaging module delivers core AML messages, including the legal obligations of both firms and individuals. Secondly, our Red Flag series, a series of case studies illustrating key risks in specific market sectors within financial services. And thirdly, a bespoke video tutorial, recorded by one of the trainer faculty here at CCL Academy. The recording reinforces key messages and also allows us to deliver firm-specific content. We'll take a moment to think a little bit more about that video tutorial and why it's key to eLearning Plus. The video tutorial, as we've said, reinforces key messages from the eLearning and Red Flag modules. And that helps firms to be confident that their employees have a good, solid grounding in the basics of AML. But as we've said, it also allows us to introduce firm-specific content. Now, the exact content will vary from one firm to another, but it could include, for example, the firm's risk assessment. What are the particular risks and issues that that firm faces? It could explain the firm's CDD or KYC process. For example, when are enhanced due diligence measures required? Thirdly, suspicious activity reporting process. What's the name of the MLRO? How are reports made? And fourthly, it could perhaps be used to explain how to raise queries so that employees know how to address any questions they may have relating to the AML controls within the firm. In the remainder of this video, we're going to give you a quick demonstration of how the video tutorial could work for a particular firm. And in this case, we're using a fictional firm, CCL Financial Services. So welcome to this video tutorial for CCL Financial Services. My name is Nigel Sydenham. This video tutorial builds on the material in the eLearning and Red Flag modules. So if you've not yet had an opportunity to review those, I recommend you pause this video and come back to it when you've had the time to do that. In this short video, we're going to look at one or two key issues relating to how CCL addresses money laundering. First of all, we're going to think about suspicious activity reporting. As you know from the eLearning modules, if you know or suspect that any transaction or client account is being used to facilitate money laundering, it's vital that you report it immediately. And here at CCL, reports should be made to our MLRO, that's Joanna Smith, using the compliance page on the intranet. And if you're not sure what that looks like, we've given you a quick screenshot here. This is the compliance page. And as you'll see, make a suspicious activity report is the first option. If you do have any suspicions, it's really important that you use this reporting mechanism. It ensures that all of the information goes directly to the right person. And it'll also give you a confirmation that the report has been made, so you know that it's being worked on. But of course, you may have other questions. You may have questions about the CDD process, how we do KYC on our clients. If you have any questions about the e-learning or about our AML procedures, please do contact the AML team. You can call them, they're available on extension 285, and you can also email them at the AML team inbox. I hope that short introduction to eLearning Plus and the quick demonstration of how it could work for a particular firm has been helpful. If you have any questions about eLearning Plus or about any of our training solutions, please do get in touch with us here at CCL Academy. We'd love to hear from you.